Oh my god, Jamaica has been blasted for the poor performances and the worst Olympic ever in the history of athletics. Now, before the Olympics could begin, every Jamaican athletic fan was having a very high hope that the country Jamaica will medal in track event. When I'm talking about track event, I'm talking about 100, 200, 4 by one and 4 by 4. But unfortunately, it didn't come to pass. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about the Jamaican poor performances and the reason why Jamaican people are crying because of the poor performance. So in case this happens to be your first time, before I continue, make sure to do me a favor to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now here are the list of the disasters and poor performances by Jamaicans at the 2024 Paris Olympic. The number one is Kishane Thomson losing the 100 meters by 0.05 seconds to Noah Lyles. Number two is Oblique Sivile injured in the 100 meter final. And number three is Shericka Jackson pulling out of the 100 and 200 meters, making Jamaicans to lose a chance of winning 100 and 200 silver and gold medal. Number four is Shelly and Fraser Pryce injured after denied entry to the warm-up area. Definitely, if Shelly and Fraser Pryce could have gotten a chance, trust me, she could have defeated Julian Alfred. Number five is Herah Nugent DNF in the 100 meter hurdles. Yes, Herah Nugent, while racing in the 100 meter hurdles, she stumbled and she could not finish up in the race. Roshan Clark DNF in the 400 meter hurdles. Yes, Roshan Clark could not finish successfully in the 400 meter hurdle. He kind of stumbled during the race. And number six is no 200 meter finalists, men or women. Number seven, no 400 meter finalists, men or women. Number eight, no women 4x400 meter team. Number nine, women 4x400 meter team DNF in the finals. Now, in case you do not know, Jamaica participated in the 4x400 women team, and guess what happened? There's a girl that she dropped the baton. The baton fell from her hand, and Jamaica got disqualified. And the last here is the men 4x100 meter team failed to qualify to the finals, and there are a bunch of countless mishap for Jamaicans at the Paris Olympic. And some Jamaicans went to social media and they started crying that look, maybe Jamaica could be on a curse. Maybe the nation has been cursed. Maybe the nation has been bewitched of bad luck at the Paris Olympic. Yeah, I have seen a lot of Jamaicans who made such posts on social media. They said maybe the nation Jamaica could have been cursed, something of that nature, but I do not believe that Jamaica is cursed. And the main reason why I feel like Jamaica is not cursed. Now let's look at the medal table at the Paris Olympic. If you look at the medal table right now, Jamaica is sitting comfortably in number 42 in the whole wide world, and we have over 100 countries in the world, and Jamaica is sitting 42 with I think 1 gold medal, 3 silver medal, and 2 bronze medal, making it a total of 6 medals from the Paris Olympic. And I think they have done better than so many countries in the world. Yes, they have done better. So I don't think it is Jamaica is cursed. It is just that the luck is not really on their side. And another thing is the withdrawal of Shericka and Shelly and Fraser Pryce reduced Jamaica's chance of winning medals. Let me hear your opinion. Do not forget to like and subscribe.